Good morning, folks. It's November 1st, but one thing that I tested this summer was using your humidifier water that I was collecting in the basement, and I watered all my front pots, my flowers, my vincas, my impatiens, and you could see how dark green the leaves are. And that's in all the plants that I watered with them in the front. In the back, I only used the rainwater for my rain barrels, and the leaves were green, but not dark green like this. Beautiful. I also had other plants in the front, and they just grew better and greener. So for next year, I'm just going to water all my plants with the free humidifier water that I turn on in the summer in the basement. How about that? Free water, free green.